Whey protein, a nutritional powerhouse. We all know protein is important for our overall health and well-being. It's the building block of our muscles, helping us grow stronger and stay fit. But did you know there's a type of protein that's like the superhero of the protein world? It's called whey protein, and it's gaining popularity fast. And it's taking the world by storm, becoming a staple in many diets. Whey protein comes from milk, a natural and rich source. Remember that watery stuff that separates from the curd when you make cheese? That's whey. It's often overlooked but incredibly valuable. It's packed with essential nutrients that our bodies crave. We're talking about the good stuff, amino acids, the building blocks of protein that are crucial for our health. Whey protein is a complete protein, meaning it provides all the essential nutrients. This means it has all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need to function properly. So why all the fuss about whey protein? It's because of its numerous benefits, because it's quickly absorbed by the body, making it highly effective. This makes it ideal for muscle recovery after a workout. But that's not all. It also supports overall health. Whey protein is also incredibly versatile, fitting into various recipes. You can add it to smoothies for a nutritious boost, pancakes, and even baked goods. It's a simple way to enhance your diet. The muscle-building marvel. Why whey protein is key for recovery. Let's talk muscles. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, whey protein can be your secret weapon. It's not just for bodybuilders, it's for anyone looking to improve their muscle health. When you work out, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. This is a natural part of the muscle building process. That's how muscles grow stronger. They repair themselves to become more resilient, but they need the right nutrients to repair and rebuild. Without proper nutrition, recovery can be slow and less effective. That's where whey protein comes in. It's a convenient and efficient way to get those essential nutrients. It delivers a rapid dose of amino acids straight to your muscles, which is crucial right after a workout. This speeds up recovery and reduces muscle soreness, helping you get back to your routine faster. Think of it as giving your muscles the building blocks they need to bounce back stronger. It's like a repair kit for your body. Whey protein is particularly rich in an amino acid called leucine, which plays a key role in muscle repair. Leucine is like the foreman on a construction site. It directs the repair and rebuilding process. It signals your muscles to start the rebuilding process, ensuring they recover efficiently. So, a scoop of whey protein after a workout is like sending in the A-team for muscle repair. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in your fitness journey. Energy on the go. Fuel your day with whey protein. Feeling sluggish in the afternoon? We've all been there. Instead of reaching for that sugary snack, try a whey protein shake or smoothie. Whey protein provides sustained energy release. It helps keep your blood sugar levels stable, preventing those energy crashes. Think of it this way. Carbohydrates are like kindling for a fire. They give you a quick burst of energy. Protein, on the other hand, is like logs. It burns slower and provides sustained energy over a longer period. Adding whey protein to your breakfast or as a midday snack can help you power through your day. It keeps you feeling full and satisfied, reducing those pesky cravings. Simple and delicious. Easy whey protein recipes for everyone. Now, let's get down to business. Incorporating whey protein into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, it can be a fun and creative way to enhance your meals. In fact, it's incredibly easy and can be done in just a few minutes. Here are a couple of my favorite quick and easy recipes that you can whip up in no time. Berry Blast Smoothie. 1 cup frozen berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. 1 scoop whey protein powder, vanilla or berry flavor. Half a cup milk or yogurt. Half a cup water, adjust for desired consistency. And optionally, 1 tablespoon chia seeds or flax seeds for added fiber. This smoothie is packed with antioxidants and protein. Just blend everything together until smooth and creamy. It's that simple. It's a perfect breakfast or post-workout refuel. The combination of protein and fruits will keep you energized. Power protein. Pancakes. 1 cup rolled oats. 1 scoop whey protein powder, vanilla or unflavored. 1 banana, mashed. Half a cup milk or almond milk. 1 egg. Half a teaspoon baking powder. These pancakes are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Mix all ingredients and cook on a lightly greased griddle like regular pancakes. They cook quickly and are perfect for a busy morning. Top with fresh fruit and a dollop of yogurt for a delicious and nutritious breakfast. Enjoy these easy recipes and start your day with a protein boost. Whey protein for every lifestyle, from gym junkies to busy bees. No matter what your lifestyle, there's a place for whey protein in your diet. Are you a fitness enthusiast looking to maximize your gains? Whey protein is your go-to supplement for muscle recovery and growth. Students, listen up. Whey protein can be your secret weapon during exam time. It provides sustained energy and focus, keeping you sharp during those late-night study sessions. Busy professionals, I feel you. Whey protein is a lifesaver when you're short on time. A quick protein shake can be a meal replacement or a healthy snack to tide you over between meetings. Eat with your eyes. The vibrant world of whey protein meals. Let's face it, we eat with our eyes first. Whey protein isn't just about nutrition. It's also about creating visually appealing meals that excite your taste buds. Think of your blender as your artist's palette. Use colorful fruits and vegetables to create vibrant smoothies that are as delicious as they look. Experiment with different flavors and toppings. Don't be afraid to get creative. You can add whey protein to savory dishes as well. Stir it into soups, stews, or sauces for an extra protein boost. Meal prep made easy. Whey protein hacks for busy lives. Life can get hectic, but that's no excuse to neglect your nutrition. Whey protein is a meal prepper's dream. You can easily pre-portion your whey protein powder into individual shaker bottles or containers. This makes it super convenient to grab and go. Another great tip is to pre-make your smoothie ingredients. Chop up your fruits and vegetables ahead of time and store them in portioned bags in the freezer. When you're ready for a smoothie, just toss everything into the blender and go. Remember those protein bars we talked about? They're a fantastic on-the-go snack or meal replacement. Make a batch on the weekend and keep them handy for those busy days. Share the whey protein love. Your recipes and experiences. I'm always on the lookout for new and exciting ways to use whey protein. So tell me, what are your favorite whey protein recipes? Share your culinary creations and inspire others to embrace the power of whey. Have you discovered a hidden gem of a flavor combination? Or maybe you've found a creative way to incorporate whey protein into your favorite dish. Let's spread the whey protein love. Embrace the way it's time to power up your life. So there you have it. Whey protein isn't just a trendy supplement, it's a nutritional powerhouse that can benefit everyone. From boosting muscle growth to providing sustained energy, whey protein is a versatile and delicious addition to any diet. Don't be intimidated. Start by incorporating small changes, like adding a scoop of whey protein to your morning smoothie or oatmeal. Experiment with different flavors and recipes. Most importantly, have fun with it. It's time to embrace the whey and power up your life. Get creative in the kitchen, fuel your body with the good stuff, and share your whey protein journey with the world. I guarantee you won't regret it.